Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, the Discovery Boss, back with another update for you guys. So we are on Wellington Drive. But first of all, if you're new to the channel, if you're seeing where that subscribe button is still red, join the family, join the Rush Raymore review family and just subscribe. It's free, it doesn't take anything just to be a part of the family. We're trying to reach 6,000 subscribers as soon as possible. That's our next goal. So welcome back to another video, guys, and remember to like the video, share the video, and at the end you leave a comment in terms of your thoughts, your opinion and everything. I know I can depend on some persons to always comment, always share, always like as well, so thank you guys for that. And if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options as well in which you can donate. So as I mentioned, we are on Wellington Drive doing another update of this project. I think this is the third update I'm doing. So this project is 39W. So it's a modern luxury apartment complex. I'll put the link for the previous videos in both the comment section and the description as well. And I'll put a link for some pictures of how it should look, some final images. Most of the projects we see where they put up like a billboard with a final picture of the project. Not all of them do it, this one don't. So I won't be able to show you guys the pictures unless you go on the link. So there is actually 2 active construction on Wellington Drive. I did 2 separate videos. I'll put those links, but this video I'm going to include both of them together. This one is 39W. I think the name is because of their lot number 39 Wellington Drive, so it's 39W. That's the name of the complex. So I'm gonna show you around, go a bit closer. It's still under construction. It's still just the main areas, the main concrete structures up, so it won't be a lot to see, but I'll still show you guys around, so you see what's happening. They'll have pool, underground parking, elevator, lots of garden area. It will have a tropical feel, a tropical look. Some of the other normal or regular amenities as well, balcony, that sort of stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys around. The financing bank is JMB Bank, Jamaica Money Market Brokers Bank, and the architect, the design is done by Virtuoso. I think they're designing most of the projects nowadays. They're really doing a good job across Kingston and across Jamaica on a whole. So let's take a closer look and then we'll move to the other apartment complex. Alright, so there it is, guys, 39W. It's Wellington Drive, close to the US Embassy, close to Mona Heights. So just giving you guys a glimpse around the place. So it will be 2 buildings, 2 towers. Alright guys, so I'm just outside of Wellington Glades, looking at the other apartment, which is Wellington Roads. So this is the second development, second apartment complex on Wellington Drive. This one seems to be 2 towers as well. This one has a picture though of the finished project. So before I end the video, I'll definitely show you guys what the finished project will look like. And then over this side is the 39W that we just saw. So they're very close. Alright guys, remember, leave your comments, let me know what you think about these two projects. 39W and Wellington Roads, both on Wellington Drive. Remember to subscribe. And thanks for all the support.